How to read GED math word problems correctly. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without knowing what the picture is. That's what reading a math word problem can feel like if you don't understand it first. So, how do you get good at reading these problems? Let's walk through some clear steps to help you master this skill. First, look at the problem carefully and find the question at the end. Restate it in your own words, making sure you understand what you need to find. For example, if it asks how much money you will have after buying something, write that down. Next, highlight or underline the key numbers and facts that relate directly to the question. Ignore extra details that don't affect your answer. For instance, if the problem mentions the price of an item, the amount of money you start with, and a discount, focus on those numbers. Then, pay attention to the words used. Words like total mean you should add, difference means subtract, product indicates multiplication, and quotient points to division. Recognizing these words helps you decide which math operation to use. After that, translate the words into a math equation. If the problem says 3 more than a number, write it as x plus 3. If it says twice as much, write it as 2 times. This step turns the story into a clear math problem. Now perform the calculations carefully, following the order of operations. Double-check your work to see if your answer makes sense in the context of the problem. For example, if you're calculating how much money you will have left after shopping, your answer should be a reasonable amount less than what you started with. Remember, many GED math problems are based on real-life situations. Understanding the scenario helps you figure out what the question is really asking. Practice with sample problems that involve shopping, budgeting, or measuring to get better at recognizing patterns. Always read each problem slowly and thoroughly. Rushing can cause mistakes or misinterpretations. Take your time to understand every detail before jumping into calculations. Keep in mind that there might be more than one way to solve a problem, but always focus on understanding what the problem wants first. By following these steps, you'll become more confident in reading and solving GED math word problems. This approach makes the process clearer and less stressful, helping you do your best on the test.